Hello guys, Moose Sentry here. Today I'm going to be doing a journey book guide to Crystal Sands. And so yes, we will be I'll be showing you where this little Happar is also. So first we have the flamingo that it doesn't move. It stays by this little island near the place to go down to the ocean. And then we have sand dollars under this slide. And then we have this touch pool near Terry's the tide pool. And then the crab, if I can get him. Yeah, the crab. So he comes out from about right there, and then he crawls in. You can see him right there. And then we have the parrot, which just flew away, so we'll come back to that. Let's see. We have the cocoa tree near the beach hut. And the parrot is not there. Usually the parrot is about right there. And then let's see. So I got the macaw, and it's right about there, and it flies from about here. Oh, there's the centipede. Crawls up and over here. And then we have the, right here, the sugar cane. This little weed stuff near the entrance to the Temple of Zios. And then we have what else do we have? The Roadrunner, iguana. Okay. So, and here's the little thing that I have in my journey book. The tapir comes out of the cage and goes back in. So we got the basilisk lizard who comes out about right there. And so I think we just have one more. So we have the green iguana, who is right there on top of the beach hut near the cocoa tree, and the other side of the beach. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing a giveaway of the Crystal Sands prize and the Mitch Shiver prize. Wherever it is. Crystal Sands and the Apondel prize. And so if you want to win, then like, subscribe, and comment what other journey book adventures you want me to do. Bye.